Hello everyone, welcome to next session. So now we have created our uh, Wiremock standalone project in using the IntelliJ IDEA. So as you can see, the project build is successful, right? So this is the Maven project, and this is the Maven project structure, which is the default structure which is created by the Maven. So this is the for the source code, and this here for the tests you want to write. So here one more important thing to note here is, so we will be using this Java directory. Within the Java directory we will create the different packages to start with our Wiremock configurations, right? So why we are not using test? Because test directory or the package is used for writing the test classes. So here we are not dealing with the test. We are not dealing with any JUnit test or say any REST assured test. We are simply creating a standalone server. We are not integrating Wiremock with our JUnit tests, right? So it will be a totally altogether a separate project which will run in a standalone manner, right? So to start with, as you can see, this is the default dependency which is uh, imported by the Maven. So this is because this is the sample class which is created. So that's why since though it has imported this JUnit framework test, that's why it is showing this. So what we can do is we will remove this class because this is not required. Give me a second. Okay, I will remove this from here, dependency, right? Similarly, this also is not required. Okay, leave it as it is. So next what we will do is we will import our dependencies, that is the Wiremock dependencies. So we'll go to the Google, we'll type Wiremock Maven, right? So this is the Maven repo where from where you can get you can import any of the jars. So I will take one of the stable one to 7, and so I will simply copy this from here and I will open the dependencies. I will paste it here, right? So now here the scope is written as test, but since we are not working with this test package or directory, what we need to do is we will remove this, so it will take the default scope, right? So I have removed this and I will reload this. Now what will happen is it will import all the classes, all the jars from this library, right? So I just need to reload it. So as you can see, it is reloading the dependencies, and all these dependencies will be downloaded here in the external library. So as you can see, so it will take some time to load this, right? So that's how you need to import the library. And one more thing to note here is we might need other jars or the library also to import, like the JSON or the JSON unit jars where we need to interpret the JSON. So that we will import when as and when required. So now let's start with our first hands-on on starting the Wiremock server.